Good morning, sir. My name is T. Lakshmi Narasimha, in mechanical branch, second year. Today, my topic is accelerating gas cutting application, advantages and limitations. Subject name is manufacturing process. Introduction to oxyacetylene gas cutting. Oxyacetylene gas cutting is a process that uses a flame fueled by oxygen and acetylene to cut metal. This method is widely used in various industries for its efficiency and versatility. Understanding its application, advantages, and limitation is essential for effective use. The oxyacetylene process. How oxyacetylene process? This is the process. The process involves the mixing of acetylene and oxygen in a torch to create a high temperature flame. The flame can reach temperature of over 300 degrees, 3000 degrees Celsius, sufficient to melt metal. The cutting is achieved by directing the flame to the metal and then introducing pure oxygen to oxidize the melted metal. Equipment required. Essentially, equipment include oxygen and acetylene cylinders, pressure regulators, holes, and cutting torches. Personalized protective equipment such as goggles, gloves, and fire-resistant cloth is also necessary. Proper maintenance and safety checks as equipment are visual. Applications in metal fabrication. Oxyacetylene cutting is commonly used to metal fabrication for the cutting steel metals. It's the practical useful in creating intricate shapes and design the metal sheets. The process of favored for the passions ability to cut the various thickness. Application in construction. In construction, oxyacetylene cutting it enables to assemble of heavy structural components with case of the process is also utilized the repeating of modifying existing. Application in automotive repairs. Automotive repairs shops after employ oxyacetylene cutting flames, removing and replacing exhaust system. It is used to cut throughout the rusters or damaged component efficiently. The technique allows for precise cuts necessary for fitting replacement parts. Application in art and sculpture. Artists, the sculptors utilize oxyacetylene cutting for creating metal sculptures in artistic pieces. The ability to manipulate metal shapes for the and design for designing the enhancer with the cutting method. It provides artists with the flexibility to experiment with different material and techniques. Application in shipbuilding. Oxyacetylene cutting plays a crucial role in the large steel plates. It allows for the efficiency assembly of ship components and full structures. The process is important for both new construction and repairs. Advantages of oxyacetylene cutting. One of the main advantages is high temperature flame generated cutting through the materials. The process portable for the performed by the locations with minimal setup. Oxyacetylene cutting equipment is relatively affordable compared to the some either cutting. Precision versatility. The oxyacetylene process allows for processes cuts and integrate the design for the metal. It adjusts the accommodate for the various thickness and types of metals. Thickness and types of metals. The versatility of the method makes it suitable for many applications across industries. This is the visibility of a picture. C2H2, oxygen O2, regulator, rubber torch, also missing chamber flame and the WP torch. Speed of operation. Oxyacetylene cutting is known for its speed, allowing rapid cutting for metals. This efficiency can lead to reduce for the times the quick of then perform the setup is contribute its appeal in the various cut skills. Serious one type, general purpose, it of the machine cutting, 2 pixels of 2 place medium petrol. This is the picture for how RC cutting is known the speed, so much speed, then efficiency is a project of various operation this loads. Limitation of oxyacetylene cutting. This picture cast iron, rough iron, aluminium, steel, copper. This the zinc, brass, carbon, steel for this. Also tin and titanium, alloy steel. One significant limitation is that it can only cut ferrous and some non-ferrous metals. It is not effective for certain alloys. The heat affected zone can lead to warping or distortion of the metal being cut. Safety risk, including fire hazards, requires strict adherence of safety protocols. Safety precautions. Safety is first. Please follow this is the safety precautions. Operation must wear the proper of progressive gear to prevent burns and eye damage. Keeping flames materials away from the cutting areas is crucial for preventing fires. Regular training and knowledge emergency procedures are essential for safe operating. Comparison with the other cutting methods. Oxyacetylene cutting is often compared with plasma cutting. The laser cutting each having own strengths. This is the own strength of laser cutting. Unlike plasma cutting, which can be cut wide range of materials, oxyacetylene is more economical for thick metals. Laser cutting offers higher precision but the significant higher cost for acetylene of a metal. Environmental consider welding processor. Caption. This is the picture of caption. Welding may produce fumes or they have the avoid breathing hazards and the cases of use alert. Oxyacetylene cutting procedure fumes and gases that cause harmful. Proper ventilation is necessary to manage of the health risk during the cutting processes. For the waste of an process, waste management practices should be in the place of handles. Future development advantages in cutting technologies may lead often to enhance in oxyacetylene methods. Innovation could improve the safety feature and efficiency of the process. The integration of automation may also change of an apply of industry. This is the picture of future development of a oxyacetylene methods. This is the brain operation. For the may also cooling change of oxyacetylene for industrial purpose. Also, main training and development The coefficient of effective of axial tilting cutting after more cost effective solution combine high teeth. Then the unique cube of low marketing, essentially the efficiency can lead significance of labor. Conclusion is also there, the understanding application safety requirement also user. Questions of decision for please thank for the attention, welcome question. Thank you for giving up.